Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're seeing me for the first time then hi, my name is Nikita. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm shooting an IKEA haul. So I had recently gone to IKEA, and by the time I upload this video I'm sure that the IKEA vlog would already be live on my channel, so maybe you can check that out if you like. Today I'm going to show you the things that I bought from IKEA. There's quite a lot of stuff. There's some crockery, organizers, a lot of things, and the bill is huge as you can see. So I think that it's very easy to go overboard at IKEA because there's so much stuff that you will get overwhelmed and you will end up buying a lot of stuff. So between me and my husband, what we did is that we were literally playing the devil's advocate whenever someone was picking up something, that do we really need this? Is this a priority? Is this in a budget today? So I would highly recommend that you think twice before picking up anything because it is very easy to overspend at IKEA. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the haul. That first of all I might look there because my husband is helping me with shooting the video because I do not remember the prices of the things, so I've asked him to help me with the video. Also, what I'll try to do is that I'll try to put up a link for each and every item in the description box, but it is going to take some time because there are many things. So in case you're looking for some specific item online, maybe you can leave a comment and I'll reply with a link of that item. So now let's get started with the haul. So the first set of items that we are going to look at are the crockery glass items. So we got these beer glasses, like 2 beer glasses, and this was very cheap. This was for 89 rupees per glass, very good quality. Then we also got some drinking glasses. So these are like in pink, and this one is in a teal blue sea green type color, and we got a set of 4. So we've got like 2 blue and 2 pinks, and these were also very cheap. These were for either 89 or 99 rupees each. So again, very cheap. And the last item in crockery that we got are these 2 rice bowls. So this is basically toughened glass. So this is microwave safe, plus it doesn't break as easily as stoneware does. And this was very cheap. This was for 59 rupees each. So we got this mainly for breakfast, for heating things. And now the next set of items that we are going to look at are the organizers. So the organizers at IKEA are amazing, very good quality. I already have many organizers from IKEA. I bought many online, and I had actually measured the items, measured the places where I want to keep the organizers, and accordingly I bought the organizers. So this is the first organizer that I've got. So this is like a huge black organizer, a plastic one. This is extremely durable. Like if you want to keep, like say, your tools or any hardware stuff, you can actually also store glass bottles in this organizer because this one is really durable. Then we also got a huge transparent organizer, and I got actually 2 of these. And this also comes with a lid, but you need to buy the lid separately. But I didn't need a lid because basically I'm going to store a lot of tissues and such kind of things in it. So usually, like, I'll keep on stacking things on top of each other in this box, so I didn't want the limitation of having a lid, so I didn't buy the lid. But you can totally buy the lid. By the way, the black organizer was for 250 rupees. The transparent ones are for 190 each, I believe. Then I also got the transparent organizers in a smaller size, and these have these small things down below, like the grip things. So it is not like if you keep it on a surface it will slide easily. It has good grip, and these 2 were for I think 130 each. And for this also you could buy a separate lid, but I didn't need it, so I didn't buy them. And also the transparent ones are available in multiple colors, orange, green and so on, and you can also mix and match. You can buy a transparent box and an orange lid. That looks good if you plan to show it somewhere in your house. And I also got a small black organizer. Like, this is a little flimsy, but I needed this for some purpose, so I got it. And this was very cheap. So this was on the deal of the day section. So this is, I think this is for 90 rupees on the IKEA website, but there it was only for 65 rupees. So I got this. The next item that I got is this plastic silicone kind of a colander. Basically, you just keep this on your sink, and then whatever you want to wash, you can easily wash your vegetables, fruits, even drain pasta and noodles into this. And this was, I wanted to buy this from a really long time, and I saw this in IKEA, so I thought that let me just get it from there because I like the quality and it was pretty affordable, 250 rupees. So that's why I got this. And now let's move on to the smaller items. So there are items for the kitchen, for the bathroom, some for the living room. So let's just look at those items now. The first thing that we got is this steel mixing bowl. This is a huge mixing bowl. If you are into salads and all, you can use it for mixing salads. You can use it for making cakes and so on. Very good quality. I was mighty impressed, and this was for 399 rupees. And there were mixing bowls available bigger than this and smaller than that as well, but I found this to be the optimal size, which is why we got this. The next thing that we bought are these canisters for basically sugar, tea, coffee, whatever you want to keep. We got a set, though it comes individually, like you have to buy each one individually. And it is this tin material, and it has this very beautiful golden lid, and it's golden from inside as well. I hope the camera is capturing it. And this was for I believe 199 each. Let me confirm with my husband.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, so it was for 199 each, and we got 2 of these, and these were also again available in smaller sizes, and I believe that was for 149 each. So, and a bigger size than this as well if you want to get bigger sizes. You must have also seen this in my IKEA vlog where I was showing you how the prices differ and how to identify the price for each item. The next thing that I got is this huge, like this tall jar, and it has this dispenser. So basically you can use it to store grains, rice, cereal, or maybe baby food as well. I basically got this to store rice, and I actually wanted multiple of these, but I thought that let me just get one, let me try. If I like it, then I can always order it online. And this was for 250 rupees, and there were sizes available in this as well. The next thing that we bought is this tray. Basically it's like a dry fruit tray, or you can also use it to serve snacks. It has these 3 sections. It's a very beautiful golden color, though I think that this was a little overpriced. We just checked that we paid 700 rupees for this. I mean, you would actually end up paying maybe 1000 rupees if you go to buy it in the open market, but I thought that this would be cheaper at IKEA. But still, not a very bad deal also. I think that it's okay. I just hope that this color doesn't come off. The next thing that we got is this jug of water. It's a huge jug, and the capacity is 1.7 liter. Let me just open it and show it to you. So this is the jug, and this is plastic. Like, it's a good quality plastic, but it's definitely not glass. Also, this stick is removable. So basically if you do not have enough space in the fridge, what you can do is that you can just keep this in the freezer, this stick in the freezer, and then you can just put normal water in this, and once this is cold enough, just put it in this jug and you'll have cold water. So that was really smart. Loved this jug, which is why we got this. The next thing is this soap dispenser. This is again plastic. Basically I didn't want to get ceramic one because if it falls it breaks. So very good quality and just 89 rupees, so this was a no-brainer. We got this. The next thing that we got is this cutlery set, and we actually got 2 of these. So this is a set of 12 cutlery items. Basically there are 4 bigger spoons, 4 forks, and 4 smaller spoons. And so now the thing is that there were like multiple types of cutlery sets over there, and they were all differently priced. But this we thought was the best because this was only for 199 rupees. Which is a really good deal for a cutlery set, which is why we got 2. And there were some open sets over there, so you could actually check the quality, and the quality was fabulous, which is why we got 2 of them, because you always need good cutlery. Really happy with this because 199 for a cutlery set of 12 items is really value for money. The next thing that we got is this milk frother. Now we already have a milk frother from Nescafe, and my husband makes really good coffee using this, and some of our friends had come over and they had really liked the coffee, and one of my friends who's a coffee lover loved it and asked us to get a frother for her as well, which is why we saw this and we instantly thought of her and we thought of getting this for her. Very good quality. And the next thing is a garlic press. Let me just open it and show it to you. So this is the garlic press. Basically you put your garlic in here and then you put it back here and do this, and you'll have like crushed garlic. This comes in very handy. Would totally recommend getting this. And the one at IKEA was really good quality, and this is for 350. And there was another variant which was for 500, which just had like a silicone pad for holding this, but I didn't see any value in paying 150 rupees only for the silicone pad, so which is why we got this. And the next item is a corkscrew, basically a wine opener, which also has an opener for opening beer bottles and other items. we were looking for a good wine opener for a really long time, but all the wine openers we saw like were very expensive, and this was just for 169, and it looks really good. I hope the camera is capturing it. And we thought for 169 this was a really good deal, which is why we bought this. The next thing that we got is the peeler, and I have actually seen very good reviews about the IKEA peeler, and this was for 250 rupees. A little expensive but very good quality. Like I had seen an open one and this was really heavy material, which is why we got this. Sorry, this is for 299 and not 249. The next thing that we got is this very small chopping board. So basically what happens is that sometimes you just need to chop like say some garlic or 1 or 2 chilies, and then you end up using your chopper, and then you need to clean the entire chopper, which is why I was looking for a smaller chopper, and I saw this and I really loved it. It looks so cute. It's so tiny and compact, and it's like a silicone like hard plastic thing, and this was only for 59 rupees, so I had to get this. And the next two items are basically hooks. So these are self-adhesive hooks, like basically if you want to hang paintings, frames or anything, you can use these. And this is a set of 3 for 69 rupees. And this is for curtains, and basically we got it for shower curtains, and this again was for 69 rupees, and it has 12 hooks, so pretty good deal on both the hooks. And the next thing that we bought is this set of hangers. It was for 129 rupees for a set of 10 hangers. So if you want like uniformity in your wardrobe, like you want all similar type of hangers, you can look at these because this was only for 129. And the next thing that I got is this set of pens. These are a set of 8 colored pens, and this was for 199 rupees. So if you've seen my Christmas vlog, for my Secret Santa I had got adult coloring books, and for that I got this set of pens because these colors are really looking so good. Can't wait to try this. And if you haven't seen my Christmas vlog, I'll put a link somewhere on the screen. Do check it out. The next thing is a doormat. It's a very beautiful color, like a greyish bluish color with this black pattern going on. Again, very affordable. This was only for 199 rupees, and this has a very good grip on the back, which is why we got this. And there was like a plethora of variety in doormats. Like there was an entire section only for doormats, smaller, bigger, printed, all type of doormats, and really good quality. And we already like almost all the doormats in our house, the ones we use outside the bathroom, outside the house, everything is from IKEA, and we like their quality, which is why we got one more, because we needed to replace one. And if you already have like say doormats, or if you already have rugs, then there was also another section in IKEA where you can get anti-slip mat. So basically what that is if you already have like say a huge rug or a carpet and it moves or it slips, so you can just put that anti-slip mat and then put your rug over it so that your carpet will stick in one place. The next thing is this pillow that we got for our sofa. So this is a really unique shaped pillow. I have not seen itna aisa lamba pillow, which is why I got this. It was for 599, and if you've seen my IKEA vlog, so there was this pillow in another color as well, and that one was for only 399. If you see the price of one item at IKEA and you see that it's available in a different color or a different pattern, always check the price, because the price may vary depending on the material that they have used. And this is a really soft material. We also got 2 cables from IKEA. One is an Apple cable, a lightning cable, and one is a Type-C charging cable, I think for Samsung and OnePlus phones. The lightning cable, the Apple one, is for 399 and the other one was for 199. I really like this pattern going on. Let me just open it for you. So I love this braided material. Also it comes with this thing wherein you can tie it back. I hope the camera is capturing it. I'll try to put up a close-up of this. I loved it, and also this is not like those Apple cables wherein you put your phone and it breaks. If you are an Apple user, you might know. So which is why I love this, and this is huge. So pretty good deal over there. And the last thing that we bought are these bags. So as you might know that IKEA is very famous for having these huge bags. And I already have 2 or 3 from IKEA, but those are all plastic bags. Now the thing is that if you buy anything at IKEA, they do not give you any bags. You have an option of buying paper bags from them, or you can get these big cloth bags. The plastic bags, the very famous IKEA plastic bags, cannot be bought from the Mumbai store because plastic is banned in this city and state. So which is why we bought 2 of these. One is this, and we also got an extra one, because these were only for 129 rupees each, and this is huge. You can carry all your ration if you're going to buy groceries, anything, or if even when you're moving houses, these kind of bags could be very handy. Very good quality, which is why we bought these. So with that, we finish our IKEA haul for today. So if you have any questions related to IKEA on how to shop, even online, not just the physical store, you can leave it in the comment section and I'll surely take it up. If you've seen my IKEA vlog, I'm going to put it up on the screen and also going to link it in the description box so you can check that out. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment for me. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye. For the first. Black. What is this material?
PU.
मैं इतना अटक क्यों रही हूँ आज?
कोई बात नहीं.
Oh God.
This was actually in a deal for 65 rupees. It was for 90 rupees, but in the deal, Papa is चालू करिए section. No problem.
Oh, it already has some water.